See if I can one-shot this. I don't even know. This could be interesting. I haven't done Earth in a while. Think here. Ooh, I'm just not good at it. I don't know, I gotta get the timing down on this. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not doing something right there. Let's do another one real quick. I gotta smooth up these times because I feel like RC was even lower than he is now, and I was able to off him. And I think I need to get all like the buffs lined up or whatever. Hopefully I get a soul weapon stone. Ah, crud. Just those are so rare. The drops, the random drops. I'll show you all the build after I do this. And I am low on flipping rubies. Get some cool lights in the background here. Yeah. I know it's like, I'm gonna try lining up the buffs better. Oh, shit. Oh, barely. Same DPS, a little bit faster. I know there's a trick here, I'm just not remembering it. I've been doing flow, and then I was doing, what was I doing a bunch of there for a while? Oh, Sky.
Was nobody hurt?
Trying to get the soul stones for Estelle. We'll try one more here. Bottom line is, get y'all selves in RC. Dude is GOAT, man. Like, he's the high DPS for me when I'm running Galg, even with all magic subs. He's not even getting any amp other than his own kit. And the motherfucker, like, is still high DPS. And I've got like a whaled ass magic team doing work. So it's crazy. You can get him on a Fizz team with all those amps. Oh my god. And you use them in all 3 stages of TMG. So if you've got the Fizz supports, which everyone should have Estelle, which is the main support you're going to end up using. Again, she's used on all 3 as well. Just get yourself RC. Because at the end of the day, Audi, Vero, they're just universal supports. Priss, You know, their amps aren't specific to a class. Well, Vero with a perk isn't, so.
Crushing blow.
Whatever it
Motivational.
Ooh. Forgot I needed to put that shield up.
I can give you an update about yesterday when you're done, about how that all played out.
whatever it takes.
You can't run.
This is the power to keep
Just as bad.
for honor. Do not let whatever it takes.
Crushing blow.
Forgive me.
Too early.
Whatever it takes.
Can't run. Motivational. Just as planned.
This is the power to
Orbelia will not falter. For honor.
whatever it takes. Me.
Crushing blow.
Whatever it takes.
Motivational. Just as planned. You can't run. Orbelia will not falter. For honor.
Whatever it takes.
It's too late for panic.
Getting distracted. Hey Boots, why don't you do that somewhere else, baby cat? Baby cat. Booty boys. There you go.
Oh, I know.
It's too late for panic. Motivational.
Whatever it takes. Move aside.
Crushing blow.
Move aside.
Motivational.
Whatever it takes. Move aside.
Just getting all kinds of distracted. The bottom line is, He just makes it easy. You can even make a bunch of fucking mistakes like I did. With a cat trying to crawl in your lap and still flub it. Watch that be the one I get a soul stone. Nope. But we'll go and do the hits. Already A2. Oh, perfect. Damn. Okay. Team. $350. So yeah, I mean, 500 plus another 350 plus 100 from that, so he's 95% crit chance. I could maybe take this off, and I don't know. See, I need that def and HP. I could maybe take it off and put that on, and then you get 100%. But I feel like 95% is fine. I mean, it's like you're gonna end up critting, and that's the whole point of this video. Is you can flub with this dude, but you get a def ignore set on him. This is definitely the UT you want to use because you get that additional 100% P damage amp, and of course that perk is critical. So, and let's see who else do I have. Pris. Oh, I could probably do her into a better set than this. Oh, maybe not. I need her. Do I need her tanky? I don't even remember. I don't even feel like I need her to be particularly tanky because, yeah, whatever. I mean, it works, but I mean, I do have a full set of like attack plus 50, but then is anyone giving high attack stuff there? No, I don't think so. Where is that set? Oh, right here. I got a full set of that. I guess I could try that next time. I'm gonna be doing this for a bit. Oh, where is it? Oh, here it is, right here. Oh, God. Yeah. She'd probably end up doing a lot of damage. She's gonna have plenty of crit, my soul. But put that on her, I guess. Try it. That way it's an even bigger buff from her UT2 and everything. So, those are the perks. Whatever. I mean, just do what works. There's little ways you can make it better. And then we got Taily. She doesn't need a lot of investment. Just put her on loads of P block and call it a day. Make sure you have that UT. Those are your perks. Pretty straightforward. You don't need 95. You only need 80. That's the big one right there. And this one. These two are the criticals. These other ones are just kind of like, I mean, that one's critical too. That's nice, that attack reduction. But, yeah, that's your Taily build. And then Lumen. You can use Shack too. God, I haven't done this in so long. I'm still in frickin' DL gear. My word. I'm sure I have a set that I could use. Wow. Why is this on full attack? What is this? Yeah, whatever. No wonder he was getting close to death. And then I got this perk on him. Like, what? It just doesn't make sense. So, like, really what you should do is, obviously these four right here make sense, and that one. Probably do that just to get the endurance up faster for his passive. That way you get that attack reduction quicker in case he throws his sword thing, and definitely put him on some like P-Tough or something. I don't know. It worked. May as well take the attack amp since his unique weapon gives a percentage of his attack. So, but yeah, I mean, that's your comp right there. I mean, again, you can use Shack, but pretty straightforward stuff. So hopefully all enjoyed that. Basically, when he starts spinning it, S1 with Taily, that way you take the block stacks off. He'll still be putting blood stacks on you, but as long as you're, his block is at 0, he's not going to get any stacks himself, the blade stacks, and then you got to still cleanse the blood stacks with Loman. And you can also use Pris to at least cleanse RC, but you've got 2 cleanses between his soul weapon and his S2, so time those right if you're having trouble. And then, of course, when he puts sword over head and spins, make sure you get the timing right, because I was getting distracted and just like pressing buttons, but S2 with Taily. That way she's immune to damage when he comes down, because he's going to always target the person with the lowest PDEF. So you want to make sure that you have Taily on the lowest PDEF. That's critical. So let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Talk to you all later.